how it is, but yeah, I'm surviving. How about you?
Same here, running on cup. But I'm super excited today you are here because we're going talking about AI. It's everywhere right now, right? So, everyone says AI can write your essays or generate design in 5 seconds. But you told me earlier that this instant perfection is actually things for it. What did you mean by that?
Right, think about it. Like ChatGPT, AI like ChatGPT or Gemini instead of existing data. It is predicting most average or complex work. If you complex work, so if every student uses for assignments and they start studying exactly same to we are using unique human brain.
Oh, that's a fair point. But isn't it for efficiency for students to save time?
It is efficient, but it's also bad if you just ask AI the final answer without understanding the logic behind it. What happens when the AI makes a mistake? Because it does hallucinate. If you don't know the basic, you can fix the error. You just blame the total source.
Oh, that's true. Instead of us controlling tools, we become dependent. Okay, so next, what about visual stuff? Hands-on tools can build flowers, layouts, or digital art instantly. Where is the flow there?
First, it has bias. I learned from internet, so it mirror human biases. Use AI as assistant as if you ask it to generate a successfully written, it usually output a manuscript. It struggles with diversity. Second, perfection is boring. Real human creation has beautiful imperfection. I looks real, but the often feels cold and empty.
I see. It has the data but doesn't have the soul. Okay, so apparently, how do we ask students to outsmart the algorithm?
By being aggressive human, embrace your work, original ideas, use AI as assistant to do heavy lifting like formatting data or finding basic tools. Observe the strategy, empathy, and critical thinking for yourself. Use AI, keep AI in the messenger seat. You should be together.
Keep AI in messenger seats. Oh my god, I love that word. Okay, Sally, thank you so much for this referencing reality check.
Okay, keep anytime Sekar. Keep thinking outside the box, everyone.
You heard her. Okay, don't let the algorithm predicate your next move. Thank you so much for listening to the reality check. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to the second season of podcast. I'm Sarana and today I'm joined by my partner Sekar. In session 1, we talk about AI. Now, in session 2, this time unique is time quite unique. This time quite unique. Well, we discussing Steganography. Maybe for those who are unfamiliar, it sounds like an alien language, right? But actually, technique is hide something behind something else. Sekar, can you explain what exactly in simple terms?
Hi, Zoe. Hi, everyone. Okay. So, to put it simply, steganography is the art of taking ticket message during a medium. The difference with cartography is that cartography message is scrambled message, so they can be read. But with steganography, the message is hidden, so people don't suspect there's a message there.
So, if cryptography is like look, steganography is like secret door hidden by behind paintings, right? And but actually, but technically, how do we actually message in image file?
This perfect, sir. Technically, the most popular technique is the LSB or least significant bit. So, each image consists of millions of pixels, and each pixel has color data in binary form. So, we're going to change the very last bit, the one that is noticeable in the human eye, to encode our message.
Crazy. So we're manipulating data, the data at most basic level, right? But it's photos serve when instead want to be the image be damaged or broken.
This is the art side. We have to be smart about choosing images that are messy or have a lot of noise. Because if change is only in the last bit, the human eye won't be able to tell the difference, but the computer with the key of to read it will be able to retrieve the message.
Very interesting. So technique is truly invisible. Besides keeping secret, are there any other uses in real world?
Absolutely. One of them is for digital watermarking. So to check the copyright of digital work, so if someone steals our photos or video, we have the proof that file is actually ours.
Whoa, I never thought the technology behind the image we upload every day could be so sophisticated. Thank you so much, Sekar. Your explanation is simple but very insightful. Okay, guys, that concludes our brief discussing on steganography. See you in the next session. Bye.